Okay guys, welcome back to the channel, and today, as you know, the console in the Tesla, very bland, also a finger magnet, right? So what I've managed to find from China was these silicone wraps. Now they're supposed to be electrostatic, so they just stick with me not having to put any sort of adhesive or anything on here that's gonna ruin the original Tesla design, right? That's on here already, so I'm not going to damage that at all. So let's go ahead, put these on. This stuff here, which is another cleaner and wipe, right, to make sure that there's no dust on there whatsoever. And also you got the sticker stuff just to take the extra dust off. But let's just give it a wipe first. Okay, so just wiping this down now. Wipe this down as well. Lift up the armrest. Okay, that looks about ready. Let that dry in a bit, and then take any dust off that we see. Looks okay to me. Say that looks nice and clean there, and then we'll get one of these silicons. Let's say that's the biggest one. Right, they said they're supposed to all fit in. Cross a bit more. That one's on. This one as well. So you can lift them and readjust them as well. And the last one. Is that one there as well. So that's it. So as you can see, if we go back, doesn't interfere with it at all. If I go forward, it's not interfering. Go back, not interfering. And yeah, I think that's not bad at all. Okay guys, so I've got myself console organization as well here, because as you can see, I've just got a big gaping hole at the bottom. So I picked myself up one of these, which should really help. Put this in. As you can see, fits in nicely, and then I can move it out of the way and still get down to the bottom. And that's there. And now we'll move on to section 3, which is, okay guys, so I picked up one of these cup holders. As you know, the Tesla doesn't come with a removable cup holder assembly, so if you spill something, it's a nightmare. So I've got one of these, which I think is pretty cool. And that just pops straight in, nice tug, snug fit, as you can see. And then if you want to take it out, just hold it in the middle, and it's so tight, but as you can see, that can come out nicely if you've got spilt contents in there. So I think that's a no-brainer. And that is the end of me pimping out the console area for the Tesla. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.